Hey, what's up? Do you remember Oclean Z1? We already made first video about this electric toothbrush. I have bought it during the flash sale on GearBest, and now I'm ready to make unboxing and full review of the new electric toothbrush from Oclean. By the way, we also have a video about Oclean X. The main feature of this toothbrush is a color touchscreen. The link to the video will be in description. Talking about Oclean Z1, its main feature is 3-segment LED display to change intensity level. Before we start the review, please hit the like button under the video, thank you. Oclean Z1 comes in this box. There is the image of toothbrush on the front side and specifications on the back. Inside the box you will find a user manual, quick guide, USB charging dock, brush head, and electric toothbrush. As you can see, there is only one brush head, but you will need to change it to the new one in 2 or 3 months. It is better to buy some brush heads in advance. Talking about design of Oclean Z1, it doesn't differ much from other electric toothbrushes from Oclean company. It has a magnetic charging connector at the bottom and brush head connector at the top. On the front side, there is one button and LED display. The button is used to power on-off and change intensity level. We will talk about this a little later. The brush head looks like this. By the way, the brush head is compatible with other electric toothbrushes from Oclean, such as Oclean X, SE, R, and 1. If you already have another toothbrush from Oclean, you can use the brush heads for the new Oclean Z1. Oclean Z1 has IPX7 waterproof standard, so you can wash it in water. It is very important for electric toothbrush. Okay, now let's talk about main specifications and main functions of Oclean Z1. First, the new electric toothbrush has 40,000 RPM frequency. For comparison, Oclean X also has 40,000 RPM, while the most powerful electric toothbrush from Oclean has 42,000 RPM. The main feature of Oclean Z1 is LED display to change intensity level. You just need to press on physical button for about 2 seconds to change the level. There are 3 modes with 32 intensity levels. In my opinion, it is very useful function because you can change the intensity level without smartphone. Just press on the button and clean your teeth. However, you still need a mobile app to use the electric toothbrush. The app allows to change the brushing plan, monitor brush head condition, teeth status, etc. First, you need to connect electric toothbrush to smartphone. Download the app called Oclean. It is available both on Android and iOS devices. Then open the app and create the new account if you don't have it yet. After that, click on Oclean on the top and tap on plus icon to add a new device. Follow the instruction on the screen. So you have 3 tabs in the app: Home, Plans, and About Me. On the main screen you can see the analysis of cleaning teeth, such as duration, effect, days of the use, etc. If you want to change brushing plan, you need to go to Plans tab. There are about 11 plans. But also you can create your own brushing plan. In the tab About Me, you can download software updates, enable overpressure protection, guided mode, and some other options. Finally, let's talk about battery of Oclean Z1. The new electric toothbrush is equipped with 800 mAh battery. The battery life on a single charge is about 30 days. I think this is a good result. You have to charge the electric toothbrush only once a month. The charging time is 2 hours. That's all I can tell you about Oclean Z1. As you can see, the main feature of a new electric toothbrush is LED display to change intensity level. The specifications and the main functions are the same as other Oclean toothbrushes. It has the same frequency, brushing modes, and battery. So if you already have toothbrush from Oclean company, I am not sure that you need to buy Oclean Z1. However, if you don't have the electric toothbrush, then this is a must-have device for you. Thanks for watching this video. Hit the like button and subscribe to our channel, Tech Brothers.